For millennia, the night sky seemed a vast, silent emptiness, a void separating the stars. To ancient civilizations, this darkness was a canvas for myths and dreams, a mysterious expanse that inspired awe and wonder. People gazed upward, pondering what might lie beyond the twinkling lights, never suspecting the true nature of the space between. Yet what appears empty often teems with unseen life and activity. Even the darkest corners of the cosmos are alive with invisible forces, subtle energies, and particles flickering in and out of existence. The universe, it turns out, is far more dynamic than our eyes can perceive. Modern physics proposes that space is not empty, but a realm of quantum energy. At the smallest scales, the vacuum is a restless sea, where particles and antiparticles constantly emerge and vanish, creating a background hum that permeates all of existence. This quantum vacuum is an ocean of energy, challenging our understanding of existence. Like the deep currents beneath the ocean's surface, these energies flow unseen, shaping the very fabric of reality and influencing the birth of stars, galaxies, and perhaps even life itself. Known as zero-point energy, it remains even at absolute zero, the universe's baseline hum. No matter how much we cool or isolate a region of space, this energy persists, hinting at a fundamental property of the cosmos that defies our everyday experience. Historically theoretical, tapping into it seemed as fanciful as harnessing starlight. For generations, scientists debated whether this energy could ever be accessed, or if it would remain forever out of reach, a tantalizing mystery at the heart of physics. But humanity's relentless curiosity drives us to explore this final frontier of energy. Across the world, researchers and engineers are developing new tools and theories, hoping to unlock the secrets of the quantum vacuum and transform our relationship with the universe. The challenge now is to attune ourselves to the quantum vacuum's rhythm. We must learn to listen to its subtle signals, to develop technologies sensitive enough to detect and perhaps one day harness this hidden power, to draw from its inexhaustible wellspring gently and sustainably. If we succeed, we could open a new chapter in human history, one where energy is as abundant as the air we breathe, and our impact on the planet is transformed. We are beings swimming in an endless sea of potential, surrounded by invisible currents of energy. The journey to understand and embrace this hidden ocean has only just begun. To navigate this hidden ocean of energy, we must first acknowledge that much of our universe remains invisible to our senses. Beneath the surface of what we see and touch, there exists a vast dynamic realm, one that pulses with potential yet is largely unmapped and misunderstood. To truly explore and harness this realm, we need a new kind of map, one that charts not just physical space, but the very fabric of energy itself. This map must go beyond traditional boundaries, capturing the subtle flows and intricate patterns that shape our reality. Enter the Tavari Field concept, a revolutionary idea that reimagines the structure of the vacuum. Instead of seeing emptiness, it invites us to perceive a hidden order, a lattice of energy that underpins everything. The Tavari Field suggests that zero-point energy is not a random sea of chaos, but a structured, organized field, a universal matrix that connects all things. This insight challenges our old assumptions and opens new doors for discovery. This field ebbs and flows, creating a dynamic landscape of energy that is constantly in motion, shaping the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. The Tavari field theory provides the mathematical language to describe and predict these patterns, giving us the tools to decode the hidden rhythms of the universe. Just as ancient sailors learned to read the winds and currents to cross uncharted seas, we must now learn to navigate these invisible flows of energy, using new instruments and insights. The theory posits that every object, every force, and every living being interacts with this field, subtly influencing and being influenced by its structure. Our actions, thoughts, and technologies all leave their mark. By understanding the Tavari field, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things, a web of energy that binds the cosmos together. Mapping this field reveals fertile grounds for energy harvesting. offering new possibilities for sustainable power and technological advancement. With this knowledge, our technologies can begin to harmonize with the universe's natural tendencies, working in sync with the fundamental forces that shape reality. The Tavari Field is the key to unlocking this new reality. A reality where the boundaries between science and imagination blur and where the impossible becomes possible. It transforms the quantum vacuum from a void into a tangible resource, inviting us to explore, innovate, and ultimately reshape our understanding of the universe itself. With the Tavari Field map in hand, we stand at the threshold of a new frontier, one where the invisible energies of the universe become accessible to us. This map is more than a guide. It's a key to unlocking the hidden patterns that flow all around us, waiting to be tapped. To harness this energy, we need a precise and innovative method, one that bridges the gap between theory and reality, allowing us to interact with the very fabric of space itself. Enter zero-point energy harmonic oscillation tapping, or ZPEHOT. This groundbreaking approach is designed to access the subtle, ever-present energy fields that permeate the cosmos. The universe is alive with infinite frequencies, each one a unique note in a cosmic symphony. ZPEHOT acts as our instrument, tuning into these frequencies with remarkable precision. At its core, ZPEHOT relies on the principles of resonance and fractal geometry, concepts that echo the structure of music and the intricate designs found in nature. Through resonance, a device can vibrate in perfect harmony with the quantum vacuum, drawing energy in a way that is both subtle and profound, much like a tuning fork responding to a distant note. Fractal geometry, meanwhile, allows us to interact with a vast spectrum of frequencies, mirroring the repeating patterns we see in ferns, snowflakes, and coastlines. A fractal antenna, inspired by these natural forms, listens intently for the strongest and most vibrant energy signals, adapting to the ever-changing broadcast of the universe. Once a promising frequency is identified, the system locks onto it, establishing a harmonic coupling that enables efficient energy transfer. This harmonic connection allows for a continuous, stable flow of energy, which can then be converted into usable electricity for our needs. The process is not one of force or domination, but of careful tuning and harmonizing, working with nature rather than against it. The Tavari Antenna is the embodiment of this philosophy, scanning the invisible airwaves for the most potent and harmonious frequencies. In this way, we become participants in the universe's grand symphony, learning to listen, adapt, and cooperate with the rhythms of existence itself. To appreciate this approach, we delve into its scientific underpinnings. Zero-point energy is a startling prediction of quantum field theory. Even in a vacuum, fields are subject to quantum fluctuations. Resonance allows efficient energy transfer at specific frequencies. The ZPEHOT method uses resonance to create energy channels. Fractals, self-similar patterns, are crucial for broad-spectrum tuning. A fractal antenna captures a wide range of frequencies. Large fractal parts capture low frequencies, smaller parts capture high frequencies. The Tavari antenna uses fractal designs for efficient energy absorption. It identifies strong frequencies and uses resonance for energy conversion. This symphony of physics harnesses quantum rules through nature's patterns. It is science that imitates life, achieving remarkable energy conversion. The Tavari antenna embodies these profound ideas. It resembles a natural sculpture, not a conventional generator. Its design fuses spirals and fractal patterns inspired by nature. The golden spiral channels energy efficiently, seen in nautilus shells. Fractal patterns provide broad-spectrum tuning, crucial for energy capture. Conductive and piezoelectric materials convert mechanical stress into electricity. The antenna's holistic integration of form and function is unique. It listens more than it works, harmonizing with the universe. The Tavari antenna represents a new path forward in energy systems. The Tavari antenna's revolutionary concept is validated by evidence. Rigorous testing shows remarkable results, even in controlled environments. Prototypes produce steady electrical output, even in Faraday cages. This confirms energy is drawn from a fundamental source, not conventional ones. Tests in vacuum chambers at near absolute zero confirm zero-point energy tapping. The power output correlates with fractal complexity and resonant tuning. A small antenna can power a home, producing no waste or emissions. Mapping the Tavari field reveals energy potential varies by location and time. This confirms the Tavari field theory, opening possibilities for energy prospecting. The technology's potential applications are vast. Homes and communities could be off-grid, powered by Tavari antennas. This would end reliance on power lines and centralized plants. It brings electricity to remote areas, transforming lives. Medical implants could be powered indefinitely, eliminating battery replacements. Consumer electronics could be powered wirelessly, ending charging cables. Spacecraft with Tavari antennas have limitless power for deep space travel. Energy storage could be revolutionized with vacuum energy batteries. This technology promises abundance, freedom, and boundless possibility. It is a paradigm shift in how we power our world. The Tavari antenna signifies more than a technological breakthrough. It represents a shift in our relationship with the planet and cosmos. Historically, progress meant extraction and consumption, leaving scars. This technology offers a symbiotic path, receiving by harmony. It taps into an infinite flow, aligning with the universe's rhythm. This philosophical change moves us from scarcity to abundance. It suggests power is found in understanding and aligning with nature. An energy source with no emissions could halt climate change. It could end conflicts over resources, creating a peaceful world. The Tavari antenna is a bridge between the quantum and classical. We stand at the dawn of a new age, redefining what's possible. The Tavari antenna unlocks limitless clean energy, transforming society. The journey involves refining and integrating this technology globally. We transition from combustion to resonance, finite to infinite potential. This requires brilliant minds and thoughtful leaders for equitable benefits. The technology asks us to see the world as interconnected flows. It invites a future that is technologically advanced and ecologically balanced. The Tavari antenna's power reminds us of an ocean of abundance. The future is about achieving harmony with the world. A new dawn promises a brighter future for humanity.